Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are talking about how to donate an old car to charity. So let's start. Welcome to our informative video titled How to Donate a Car Charity Old Car to Charity. In this comprehensive guide, we explore the process of donating an old car to a charitable organization, shedding light on the benefits of this preliminary act, whether you are looking to declare your space, support a cause close to your heart, and or enjoy potentially tax deductions. This video will be provided to you with step-by-step instruction and valuable insight to ensure successful coordination experience. First and foremost, we discuss the importance of selecting the right charitable organization to donate your card or card to. We highlight key factors to consider such as the organization mission, reputation, and financially transparency. By making an informed choice, you can ensure that you donate contributed to cause the eligible values and exponential impact of the community. Next, we delve into the practical aspects of the card donation process. This includes thus gathering all the necessary documentation such as mentation. We guide you through the step of preparing your card donation, including in the clean, financial, and ready for the next honor. Additionally, we provide tips how to handle any outstanding loans or lines and the vehicle, including ensuring a simple transfer of ownership. One optical aspect we address in this video is understanding the implication of donation an old car. We explain to guidelines for explain and detection and the importance of the perfected fancy conservative organization. By understanding the eligibility criteria and documentation required, you can maximize the potential tax benefit associated with your car donation. In conclusion, how to donate an old car, the charity offers a comprehensive and practical guide to individuals interested in making meaningful contribution through a car donation. By following step-by-step instructions, telling and charity, and understanding the tax implications, you can ensure a smooth and rewarding experience. Throw your journey or your car, find a new purpose and support causes that make difference in this life of others. Get ready to embark a journey of humanity and learn how to donate your old car to charity in the way creates positive impact. First and the foremost, we discuss the importance of selecting the right criteria, charitable organizations to donate your old car. We highlight key factors to consider, such as the organization mission. So, shedding light on the benefit of the Preliminary Act, whether you are looking to test your space, sport, cause close to your heart, and enjoy potentials. And financially transparency, by making an informed choice, you can ensure that your donation contribution to a cause that really values and has a significant impact on the community. We guide you through step by step of preparing your car for donation, ensuring it is clean, functional, and ready for the next owner. Additionally, we provide tips to handle any outstanding loans or lines and the vehicle, ensuring the seamless to transfer ownership. So, by following the step-by-step introduction, selecting the right charity, and understanding the taxi implications, you can ensure a smooth and rewarding experience. Through your generosity, your old car can find a new purpose and support cause that you make a difference in the lives of others. So, one circle aspect we address in this video is understanding the tax implication of donating an old car. shedding light on the benefit of this permanent act. So here we will enjoy a potential tax deduction. This video will provide a step-by-step introduction and valuable to encourage second and donation. So how to donate an old car charity. In this video we will tell you how to donate a old car to charity. We delve into a practical aspect of the car donation process, the inculcation, the gathering the necessary documentation such as a vehicle title desperation. We provide tips on how to handle any outstanding loans to light vehicle in the property. So we are talking about how to donate old car to charity. I hope so you like this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.